How to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. So first what you want to do is just go to your browser, then go to roblox.com, and once you're here on the Roblox browser or Roblox website, just simply click on the icon on the top left corner, so just besides the Roblox icon, so the hamburger icon right here. And once you click on that, it will preview a menu, and at the bottom of it you will see gift cards. So just simply click on that, wait for it to load. Now at the top right you will see redeem card. Simply click on that button and it will redirect you right here on the redeem Roblox codes page. And now you will just need to enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below right here. So just simply input the promo code, and once you've input that, just simply click on the tick box right here and then click on redeem, and it will automatically redeem your gift card or your promo code right there. And that's how you basically redeem your Roblox gift card on mobile.